going shopping.
Great. We have to have that all day.
Look at that clarity. Where are we going shopping? What store are we going to?
Holes.
For what?
A wax warmer. Oh, I should look to see if they had it online. I mean, I should look online to see if they still had it in the store.
You gotta get gas. You gotta gas. You're at 38. Hey, I was listening to that.
Well, I'm not. Here, let's get one.
I gotta go. I gotta go.
Is that where you go every time?
Who sings this?
You're making my stuff shake.
It's because I turned up the bass the other day when I drove it. Got the goods. We got matching Christmas onesies. And I got a shirt and a pink sweatshirt. Now, we're gonna get food somewhere.
Jimmy John's? Used to be the old Arby's.
Why would I get Jimmy John's if Firehouse is my favorite? That's like not being loyal to Firehouse.
Panda Express.
No matter what my success, I always end up at the Panda Express. He had a bouncy ball. I'm recording everything. Hey, National Corn Dog Day. Oh, that's Saturday.
What do you want?
Number 8, medium entree, mini mozzarella sticks. With a Dr. Pepper. Look at that quality. Oh my god. Update. They asked us if we wanted any dipping sauce. We said no. They gave us everyone. 2 of everyone. There's the food. Spring break season, boy. I'm here in my sweater, and everyone else is wearing swimsuits, and I don't know how, because it's so cold. Just because it's spring break doesn't mean you should come down and put your swimsuit on. Just wait for the summer weather, then you can wear your swimsuit. But right now is not acceptable because it's freezing.
Local and you're out here, you're an idiot.
If you're a local and you're out here, go home. So I am currently driving. I'm on my way to the beach, and I'm gonna catch a sunset because I haven't seen the sunset in a hot minute. And I was gonna see if any of my friends wanted to go, but none of them could go, but that's okay. I'm just heading out there right now, and it's really cold. It's 56 degrees right now, and it's spring break, and that's not spring break weather. I don't know about you guys, but like I live in Florida, and I've lived in Florida like most of my life. This is great lighting. But everyone from that doesn't live here, everyone that's not a local, is literally going to the beach in this 59 degree weather and wearing their swimsuit. Excuse me. But anyways, I'm currently listening to the Pirates of the Caribbean soundtrack because I love orchestra music. If you guys know me at all, I really love orchestra music, and I would love to like go to an orchestra in person and like see one, just because I really like the music for some reason. I don't know, it's just like very powerful, and like I'm a bit of a geek, so it's fine. I don't know, I just really, my music taste is all over the place. I'm going to the beach right now to catch the sunset. I'm gonna eat dinner with my parents, and then my friend Samantha said something about hanging out later, so I'm not sure what we're gonna be doing. We'll figure it out. The Monster Inc. soundtrack is now on, and I'm gonna get off.